Good morning, traders, and welcome to BCR's morning market outlook. First up, let's have a look at the US dollar. The DXY fell to around 99.42, its lowest level in more than a week, after the United States and Iran reached a peace agreement that restores passage through the Strait of Hormuz. The agreement reduced some of the safe haven demand for the US dollar and helped ease concerns about inflation as oil prices dropped to a 2-month low. Markets are now focused on the first Federal Reserve meeting chaired by Kevin Warsh, with interest rates widely expected to remain unchanged. Technically, the US dollar is trading near 99.5. Resistance is seen at 99.8 and the key level of 100 points. On the downside, support lies around 99.16, followed by the psychological level of 99. Next up, let's have a look at crude oil, which has opened the week sharply lower, falling more than 4% after the US Iran's MOU was finalized ahead of its expected signing on the 19th of June. Prices briefly touched a near 2-month low around 79.25 before stabilizing near 79.65. The market has rapidly unwound the geopolitical risk premium that supported prices during the Middle East conflict. Additional pressure came after Goldman Sachs lowered its 2027 Brent crude forecast, and OPEC reduced its 2026 demand growth forecast. From a technical perspective, the previous conflict-driven uptrend has reversed. The key $80 level is now the support zone, with further downside support at 78.88 and followed by 75. Resistance is seen at $82 and the 100-day moving average around 85.4. Lastly, let's have a look at gold. Gold opened more than 2% higher during Asian trading, briefly rising above 43.45 before easing back towards 43.10. The metal was supported by softer rate hike expectations following the completion of the US-Iran MOU. Markets are still pricing in a 57% probability of a US rate hike before December, while attention now turns to this week's Federal Reserve meeting. Technically, the support is located at 42.62, followed by the stronger support near 4,024 and the key psychological level of 4,000. Resistance is seen at $4,400 and the 20-day moving average around 44.14. Lastly, let's have a look at the Australian dollar, which rose above 7060 as risk sentiment improved following the US-Iran peace agreement. The weaker US dollar and stronger market sentiment provided some support for the Australian dollar. Markets have significantly reduced expectations for further RBA tightening, with the probability of an August rate hike falling to around 35%. Technically, the Australian dollar remains in a consolidation phase. Resistance is seen at 71 cents and then 71.88. Support is seen around the psychological level of 70 cents, followed by the 150-day moving average near 69.40.